We will talk about the human heart today. Human heart, it is the pumping organ of the body. The major function performed by the heart is to pump the blood into the various blood vessels, majorly the arteries. So we call the heart as a pumping organ. It is made up of very special muscles called cardiac muscles. There are mainly two chambers if you look at the heart externally. This is the upper chamber, smaller one. We call them atria or you call them auricles. These are the lower chambers. You call them ventricles. So from outside if you see, heart has two chambers, the auricles, the ventricles. If you see the inside of the heart, there is a longitudinal muscular wall. We call it as septa. Now this septa divides the auricles into two parts, left auricle and right auricle, and ventricles also into two parts. Now between the two chambers, left auricle and left ventricle, you have a valve here, and right auricle and right ventricle also there is a valve. This valve prevents the backward flow of blood. The blood always flows from auricles to ventricles. Let's see the fair diagram of heart now. Look at this diagram. These are the two auricles, the left auricle and the right auricle. And these are the two ventricles, the left ventricle and the right ventricle. The auricles are thin walled because they pump the blood from auricles to ventricles only through these valves. This is valve, bicuspid valve, and this is the tricuspid valve. But when the ventricles have to pump the blood, they have to pump the blood into the major blood vessel, the aorta, which is very thick walled. And this blood vessel has to take the blood to the organs which are very far off. So the pressure of blood must be high when the ventricles push the blood into the aorta, the major artery that distributes blood into the different arteries. So that is the reason why ventricles have thicker walls as compared to the auricles. Right? This is the structure of heart that you have to study. After studying this structure of heart carefully, then we will compile all the three parts, the heart, the blood and the blood vessels, to study the circulatory system in humans. Thank you.